Hi, this is Bianca from Zozinette Baby Carriers. I want to show you how to use your buckle carrier for front carrying. This is Tando. He's now 10 months old and we're going to be using our mini buckle carrier. Okay? I'm going to put him down. Hey, do you want to sit? Sit here. Well done. Good boy. And now what I would like to do is just wear the carrier. And in order to do that, you need to flip the waist buckle so that the Zozinette logo and the wash care labels are facing the same direction. And once you've done that, you put the waist buckle, the waist belt around your waist and you fasten. And in order to fasten it, you will need to put it through the elastic loop first. That is a safety mechanism that avoids your buckle opening unintentionally. Although our waist buckle actually has an inbuilt safety mechanism because it requires you to open it with both hands. But just in case that fails for whatever reason, we have the elastic loop that will hold the buckle in place. So I'll click that in and I will tighten it. And please note that I wear my baby carrier at my normal or natural waist and rather than at the hip. That is because at the end you want the baby to sit really high and not low. So try and wear your waist belt quite high up on your waist. So now I have fastened the waist belt. I'll take my baby. Hi baby. Hi. 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 Hello. And what I want to do, I sit him in front of me and I make his legs squat like this, like a little frog, knees high, bum low. And I will then wear my carrier. Hi, hi, hi. Please playful today. Hi. So one arm and then the other arm. Hi. And I just want to make sure that he's sitting really centered. So I'll adjust. I touch his knees just to see that the carrier reaches his knees. This is the right way. A baby sits in a carrier, it should support him from knee to knee. So as you can see, knees are high, bum is low. Now I'm going to tighten the carrier a bit. Hi, what is it? I'm going to tighten the carrier. And in order to do that, first, before I tighten, where is my sugar? Where's your toy? There it is. There's your toy. There's your toy. Do you want a toy? Yeah. Yeah. Hello. Hello. So before I tighten my shoulder straps, I'm going to fasten this clip at the back. Let's put this down. It's easier if you fasten it first before you tighten it, because once you tighten it, that strap moves down on your back. So now I'm going to tighten the waist, the shoulder straps, just so that it's comfortable for me. And I'll make sure that the baby has a nice seat again. Okay? That feels good. I'm a tallish person on average, so I don't need to tighten the shoulder straps at the top as well. But if you are on the shorter side, if you're not very tall, then you may also need to tighten the shoulder strap here in front. This makes your shoulder straps much shorter and helps you adjust the shoulders much more. So I'm going to open mine because that's a little bit too tight for me. And this is very comfortable. So now, if you want to check that we're carrying correctly, he is high. He is nice and close, and my buckles are closed right there and right there. And this is how you carry a baby in a buckle carrier in front. Thank you.